Hello everyone. I'm trying to make this one a little shorter as it's just another Posa South and Tyson Wash LTVA update. If you've watched some of my previous videos, you'll notice that there are more RVs out here. And being that Christmas is just over, they are showing up more and more every day. And as I've said in the past, the dark areas are just very small volcanic rock, and it is not wet from the rain that we have had from the previous days. This is actually the second time I've tried to film this because I screwed up and did not hit the record button. Oh well, you get distracted when someone's talking to you. You'll see some of these rigs have a pretty good solar system on top and others don't have anything. So I would guess the ones that don't have solar just don't dry camp very often. We're coming up on the leach field for the dump site that you can see that Class A motorhome dumping right now and someone else waiting in line. And the big four dumpsters actually looked empty, which is a good thing. So we're just going to fly out here just a little bit more and turn around and head the opposite direction towards Tyson Wash. But I'm not going to fly all the way into it, as you will be able to see from the altitude that we're at how many RVs are actually out there. It is another beautiful day here in Quartzsite on December 27th of 2023. As we turn around here and start heading back, you're going to notice a Class A RV with a huge array of solar panels tilted up about 80 degrees. I will point it out as we get to it, but if you want a closer look at it, go to my channel where I ran the drone 360 around it at an altitude high enough where I didn't bother anybody inside it. I would actually love to catch this guy outside just out of curiosity to see how it all works. It's hard to tell, but right at the bottom of the screen, that is the motorhome with the panels tilted up. So we're going to run back out the nicely paved entrance road. Hopefully down the line they're going to actually pave the other entrance roads to the other LTVAs here in Quartzsite. I've tried running the drone in the sport mode, which it will run about 10 miles an hour faster, but the movements are way too jerky to record video in. So I'm stuck with this speed. You can speed up the video in the YouTube if you go to your tools, if this is too slow for you. So the intersection at the end of this entrance road is Highway 95 going north to your right in the video. And if you've watched any of my previous videos that cover Tyson Wash that we're flying towards now, you will see the population really hasn't grown that much there. So I'm just going to turn around right here. They still do not have their big 4-lane dump site or 4-lane water faucets set up yet. And I still have no idea when they're going to open them. Way off in the distance is Quartzsite. Normally about a population of 1,000, maybe a little less. And I have no idea what we're going to reach about the third week of January when the show's going. Some people say as much as 1 million. Some people say even more. I guess it will depend on how the weather is treating us. Gonna swing back around here and start heading back to the camp where I'm at. In the next week, this camp will start growing, and the week after that will grow considerably more as we have more friends coming. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.